Save time and money with today's recommended business and have a profitable day.
Hi, it's Tom with theprofitableday.com with today's recommended business. Colorado Cleanup Services, experts in remediation and restoration services in Denver, Colorado. Their website gives you great reasons on why you should choose Colorado Cleanup Services for emergency services, one stop to shop, and industry experience, water, flood damage, fire, smoke, and mold damage as well. You can also find testimonials from customers. The owners of the company have a great video regarding contacting them after hours. You may contact them on their website or call the number on your screen. Colorado Cleanup Services. They are today's recommended business. Thanks for watching and have a profitable day.